Like bad. What the fuck? What is that? Who? Hey. What are you doing? Ew. What is he doing? Yo, what are you doing?
Hey, dude, you need to try this.
What?
Let's do it, bro. Yes. No shooting. Do it again. Wow! Another one. Good luck. Ow, that one hurt. Yes.
You alright, man? Got some icy hot back at the house, bro.
We're gonna have to use it.
Alright.
We're good.
My callus is hurt.
What do you know about the ghost?
It was real dark. And I came in my room. Then went back out of my room. Went to the bathroom, brushed my teeth, shaved a little bit. Before I knew it, I was back in my room, just listening to my iPod and stuff. Heard my dad come home, the dogs were barking. That's when it all happened. Brought me home friendlies. Alright. It's really good. And then we heard something on the back deck. And we realized my dog, he was outside, he was barking. That wasn't the ghost. Then,
Okay, take your time.
Cat. It's all scary and stuff. And there's an image of a dirty book on the ground. And I kept flashing in my mind like it was on and off, like a power button on a PS2 or something. And I saw a ghost. He wasn't wearing any clothes, but it was a dude. Metallica to make it feel a little more badass, but it didn't help any. That's the ghost.
Man, you're a fucking liar.
Tastes like blue raspberry.
On the floating ships, oceans, I did all my best to smile till your singing eyes and fingers drew me laughing to your eyes, and you sang, said to me, let me unfold you. Here I am, waiting to hold you. Did I dream? You dreamed about me. Were you here?
Dad?
Oh. Dude, I've seen you down here a lot. What are you doing?
Nothing. Like, my dad's been at sea for a couple years now. He's in the Navy, and I'm waiting for that day when I can just see him sail on by, see a ship coming in. I'm just gonna wait for him here, and then once he gets here, you know, be one happy family again.
You know your dad, like, won't come down this. It doesn't connect to the ocean.
What do you mean this doesn't connect? It's water, right?
It's a drainage runoff. Like sewage.
Like,
Poop.
fuck! You ruined my fucking day.
Ow! I was just telling you, I didn't want you to sit here any longer. Are you alright, man?
I'm just waiting for it. It's never gonna come, is it?
Not through here.
You shut that fucking thing off.
No.
No sense. Yeah, party on the beach. Party on the beach. Party animal, they done let me off the leash. I got my weed from the west, my pills from the east, and 2 bottles of goose, that's geese.
I got a feeling
No sinners, motherfucker.
that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night.
Yo, man.
That tonight's gonna